Hello and good morning guys, this is Dr.NEoWave, and in today's video I show you actually how to extrapolate the timing of potential highs and lows. So I apologize for this mess, I haven't cleaned it yet, so I will clean it up laterwards. So anyhow, this is for instance to demonstrate on the second time frame to show you how actually you can estimate a high and a low, to long or short. So first of all, you need to identify an important low or important high. This is the first thing. So here, for example, we see we came down this way on this second chart, and we have now make this move up. And this is, let's see if it's approximately 50%. Yeah, it's approximately 50%. So tendency is given that we continue our move down. But so first of all, what we need to identify as well is if this is respected, right? So in this regard, it seems to be respected now. So again, it's a 1 second time frame, so it's very quick, so I need to be hurry in this way. So what we do first is just taking here the 1, 2, 2, obviously seems to be 3, we're taking the buy side liquidity, continuing, and then likely going a little bit back. So I would just mark this down first, and then we have two estimates to make. So if we have a wave 1, so this is 100% of the move, and the external relation on that is actually then the third wave. So this is the third wave. This is also comparable with the 1.618 relation to wave 1. So this is likely to be then the wave 3 if this resistance is get broken, and luckily Bitcoin shows not that big pace actually, so we have some time left to analyze this. So in order to identify when the high will occur, is you can take your Fib extension, time extension tool, and then mark the two subsequent lows. And then in this regard, you will find that the time when the price turns is usually 1/2 of the time distance between the half distance of the lows. So just like from low 1 to low 2, take the half of the time, add it on the wave end of wave 2, then you will find the end, the top in this section. And this is also possible in the opposite way. So if you want to estimate a timing for a long, you can try to do the following calculation, actually marking out the highs and go from high to high, and then the next push will likely occur on the half of the time distance here. So but don't forget that price is actually more important than time, usually according to Elliott wave. And in this regard we can as well take the price conditions, so the price, how far it went. So as we have seen, for now we have made 100%, not 100% entirely, but it's 61.8%. So the wave 1 relates externally with wave 3 by 0.618. So the wave 4 or the 5 must be relating half of the external relation. So something like ending up like here, might ending up like that, so here somewhere like that. So same thing, we have now two lows. We can now estimate the high, when the high will occur. So here is important to know, as we have this bump here in this, so it could also be that it takes a little bit longer, so that this is here the 2, and therefore I will mark it like here. So it seems to be proceeding, and anyhow in this regard wave 3 cannot be the shortest, so it should be either the equal length of wave 3. So then you have the estimate to take this length as calculation for wave 5. So, and we do not have any candidate for a fifth extension, as we have not the external relations of wave 1 or wave 3 by 101 or 1.618. So as we can see here, we now topped here at that time, and now it should return back. So as I said, it's 1 second, so it's not 100% precisely. So 0.5 of the time distance that it took from go to the end of wave 2 to end of wave 4. This is actually then pretty much it. And so here we should expect then as well a further down continuation, but as you can see, it's not 100% matching, but for most of the time it is, and then working. So in this regard, it's not respected and it's continuing advancing. Then what you can do is you can say, okay, then if it's not respected there, so it might be likely to respect it at the 1-on-1 time extension. So then likely it will end here about 7:30. So yes, so in this regard, here it could be estimated that it ends here. So, and for the harmonic pattern construction, what you need is actually to check if you have fulfilled all required time distances. So for example, from 0 to 2, it is the time it takes to go to wave 4. It is the acceleration of 786, and the next one is then should be the addition. So we go to this one, and it always should end up in a manner that you have even numbers. So even numbers, and there we can see now, okay, we have now hit the 1-on-1 extension, so now it drops rightly quite heavily back to wave 4, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to learn how to do this actually on precisely, and also in regard of risk management, how to deal with, I have a Discord and as well a YouTube channel, you see that. And yes, I would love you to show you some more of this stuff, and would be happy if you could join the Discord. So see you there, and bye bye.